Guru Gobind Singh, born Gobind Rai, was the 10th Sikh Guru, a spiritual master, warrior, poet and philosopher. When his father, Guru Tegh Bahadur, was executed by Aurangzeb, Guru Gobind Singh was formally installed as the leader of the Sikhs at the age of 9, becoming the 10th and final human Sikh Guru. His 4 sons died during his lifetime, 2 in battle, 2 executed by the Mughal army. Among his notable contributions to Sikhism are founding the Sikh warrior community called Khalsa in 1699 and introducing the 5 Ks, the 5 articles of faith that Khalsa Sikhs wear at all times. Guru Gobind Singh is credited with the Dasam Granth, whose hymns are a sacred part of Sikh prayers and Khalsa rituals. He is also credited as the one who finalized and enshrined the Guru Granth Sahib as Sikhism's primary scripture and eternal guru. Gobind Singh was the only son of Guru Tegh Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru, and Mata Gujri. He was born in Patna on 22 December 1666, Bihar, in the Sadhi Khatri family, while his father was visiting Bengal and Assam. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.